Hello.
Hi.
We're here today to discuss the rating form and the assessment and interview that we initially did with you and your daughter Joy.
Mm-hmm.
I see from that you think that Joy has more difficulties than the average teen when it comes to conflicts. And then I also see that Joy felt that she was about the norm with teenagers her age. Does that sound about correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we used 4 different sources to gather this information, and I'm just going to review that with you briefly because that was a while since we did it. Of course, we did the initial interview with you, and then we did the assessment, and we did a questionnaire, and we did some monitoring forms, and then we also did the direct observation where I came in and just observed your interaction with you and yourself and Joy. So let me explain the CBQ. That was part of the testing and the assessment that showed where Joy did feel, or you felt like Joy scored higher than the average teen. And especially when it came to terms of conflict. And as we discussed previously, Joy felt that she scored about what an average teen would feel when it comes to conflict. Then there was the DOS, and that was what indicated to us that from the way you answered, the both of you answered questions, that this was causing some anxiety and conflict within the home.
Yeah.
Is that pretty accurate? Okay. Okay, so some of the things that I learned from my interview, the original interview with you was, and it's kind of touching on what we just said, that you and Joy have different views on the severity of the conflict in the home. Also that you both do appear to be willing to work on things and set goals to help with the conflict in the home. So those are the 2 main things that I was able to get from that. So just kind of restating everything. You're kind of on different pages when it comes to, you feel she's more severe, she feels that she's kind of a normal teen.
Right.
You are both willing to set some goals and put the work into trying to make improvements with this. So that's a great goal to set right there. So do you have anything else you want to add to that? Or do you feel like this information is helping you
Yeah,
to set adequate goals?
Yeah. Just we want to get rid of some of that conflict and work on making it more peaceful, I guess.
Right. Well, these tools are going to help us to be able to do that, help you and your daughter to be able to do that.
All right. Thanks.